Rising from the jungle like a stone-born flame, an ancient rock fortress pierces the sky, standing silent and eternal. This is Sigiriya, the Lion Rock, a wonder of architecture, artistry and ambition carved into the soul of Sri Lanka. Welcome to Sigiriya, one of the most extraordinary archaeological sites on Earth. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site and often called the eighth wonder of the world, Sigiriya is more than a fortress. It is a story of power, beauty, betrayal, and legacy. 15 centuries ago, in the 5th century AD, a king named Kashyapa fled the royal capital after seizing the throne. Haunted by fear and driven by ambition, he sought refuge atop this towering rock. And there he built an impossible city in the sky. A royal citadel carved from stone and set among landscaped gardens, water channels and symmetrical terraces, a marvel of urban planning centuries ahead of its time. But Sigiriya is not just stone, it is painted with dreams. Midway up the rock face lies a secret gallery of ancient art, the Sigiriya frescoes, stunning murals of celestial maidens, preserved in glowing pigment, their beauty untouched by time. Above them, the mirror wall still holds faint poems etched by visitors over 1,000 years ago, whispers of love and awe from another world. As you ascend the steep staircases, you arrive at the Lion's Gate, two massive paws carved from living rock. Here stood a colossal lion statue, its body long lost to time, but its paws remain, forever guarding the stairway to the heavens. At the summit lies the ruins of King Kashyapa's palace, complete with pools, throne rooms, and panoramic views stretching to the ends of the island. From up here, you see not just the land, but a kingdom, a vision, a paradise built in defiance of gravity and time. Sigiriya is one of the best preserved examples of ancient urban planning. Its hydraulic systems, aerodynamic gardens and symmetrical architecture still leave archaeologists and engineers astonished. It stands at the crossroads of history, culture and innovation, a masterpiece of both art and science. To the traveller, Sigiriya is more than stone. It is a climb through legends, a journey through jungles, ruins and sky. It is a reminder that greatness can rise from fear and that beauty can last far beyond empires. Come, stand where kings once stood, climb the lion, touch the clouds, and witness the eternal mystery of Sigiriya, Sri Lanka's ancient wonder, carved in stone and crowned by time.